Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the most efficient ways to catch fairies and grow a garden. So basically, once you have caught all of the fairies that are on the field, you are going to go to the middle. You know what? I'll just show it to you right now. Hold on, let me just catch one of this. So I'm just going to get the lantern here and then get your fairy net. And whenever like a fairy comes back or goes out, unless you want your plants to have the mutation, you're just going to catch the fairy here. It is a little bit easier than going around the map in my opinion. But yeah, you're just going to wait here and do that and you'll catch a lot of fairies in no time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.